Hey art friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we'll be learning how to draw Kevin the Minion from Despicable Me. So first let's get started by drawing in the eyes. On the right hand side we're going to draw in a small circle. We'll move over to the left hand side, lining this up at the same height, and we're just going to replicate that. In the top left-hand corner of both eyes now, we're going to draw in a small circle for the highlight of the eye. Moving underneath this now, we're going to draw in an even bigger circle for the pupil of the eye. Now let's draw in the goggles. So moving around this, we're going to draw in a nice big circle for the middle. And then lining this up at the exact same height over on the left-hand side, we will replicate that. Let's start in the middle now, and we're going to draw a dot on the top. We'll leave a gap on the bottom and replicate that. And this is where the center of our glasses is going to reach. So we're going to start on the dot in the center on the top, and we're going to curve this line around and then down on the side. And then on the bottom in the middle, we're going to curve this line around and then up on the side, joining that together. Now for the middle, we're going to replicate that, flipping it over. So in the center, we're going to curve this line around and down. And then starting back on this line, we're going to continue to curve this all the way around and then up in the middle. For the side of the glasses now, we're going to bring this line out, down, and then in, creating a small rectangle. And we'll flip over to the left-hand side and replicate that, bringing that out, down, and then back in. And we'll just draw a small line straight across in the center. Let's frame in the top of the head now, so we're going to create a dome. So in the middle, on the left-hand side, we're going to curve this line around and in towards the center. Starting on the right-hand side, we're going to curve this up, bringing that back in towards the top. Let's frame in the hair above now. So in the middle, we're going to curve this line over and out towards the right. Starting from the center again, we're going to curve another line out towards the right, making it slightly shorter. We're going to curve another hair strand coming out towards the right. And then one last time, again, making that even smaller. Now in the center on the left-hand side, we're going to curve this line over and out, moving down, replicating that, curving that out. And now one last time. Let's move down and draw in the mouth. So leaving quite a big gap on the right-hand side, we're going to draw a curved line from top to bottom. For the center of the mouth now, we're going to arch this line over and out towards the left. And now let's frame in the body. So coming over on the left-hand side, we're going to bring this line down. We'll do the same thing on the right, ending that at the same height. Now from here, closing off the side of the body, we're going to continue to extend this further down, curving this line in. And then we'll do the same thing over on the right. In the middle, we're going to draw in a small curved line from left to right. And then in the center, we're going to bring this line straight down towards the bottom. On either side of this now, we're going to curve this line out. And now from here, we're going to draw in a curved diagonal line that comes up, attaching that together. Let's draw on the overalls in the middle now. So on the right-hand side for the strap, we're going to curve this line out on both sides. And then from here, we're going to bring a diagonal line that comes down towards the bottom of the page. And then from that corner, we're going to curve this line around and then up. In the middle now, we're going to draw in a small circle. And we'll do the same thing over on the left. And now in the middle of this, we're going to draw in a small cross. On the left-hand side, we're going to curve this line around and then out. We'll flip over to the right, replicating that. Then in the middle for the pocket, we're just going to draw a straight line across, lining it up at the same height. We'll do the same thing on the left. Now on the top, closing this off, we're going to draw a straight line that comes directly across from left to right. In the middle now, we're going to draw in a curved line, arching that around, and then up on the right. And then we'll close this off with a curved line from left to right, connecting that together. Let's draw on the feet now. So on the inside, on the bottom, we're going to draw two small straight lines that come down. We're going to curve this line out towards the side and then back in. And then we're going to bring a small line that comes straight up towards the ankle there. On the bottom, we're going to draw in a small curved line following that for the sole of the shoe. And now let's draw in the arms. So on the right-hand side, we're going to curve this line around and then down. We'll flip over to the left-hand side, replicating that. From here, moving over, we're going to curve this line in on both sides. Now on the outside, we're going to curve another line that arches in. And then we'll do the same thing on the inside. Moving down now for the hand, we're going to draw in a small curved line from bottom to the top. For the thumb, we're going to curve this line out and then in. For the first finger now, we're going to curve this line around and then up. And then lastly, we're just going to arch this line around and then in on the corner there. Lastly, we're just going to draw the symbol in the center. So we're going to start by drawing a nice big letter C. Bringing that up. On the top here, we're going to draw a straight line that comes across. And then from here, we're going to draw in another letter C just in the center, bringing that up. We'll bring this line in and then up, connecting that. On the top, we're going to bring a diagonal line that comes in towards the middle. We'll do the same thing, bringing that down towards the left. We'll take another diagonal line, bringing that in towards the middle. And then we'll bring that up towards the right. And now from here, we're just going to draw in a small line straight across. And that is it. That's how you draw Kevin the Minion from Despicable Me. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thanks so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.